What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? Do a quick walk around. Show you guys what kind of inventory we got. Got some nice Jeeps. See the price. Just bear with me on all the traffic noise. This is nice. 15.9. It's a big boy. 2008. For you Honda lovers out there, we have a 2014. It's going for $13,999. GMC. Third row seating. Got a 2014 Kia. Black. It's pretty nice. Now we do offer in-house financing. Chrysler. Got a Jeep on the trade-in. Got an Avalanche 2010. Very nice. Got a 2008 Nissan Titan. 4x4. Has leather. Very nice. Very, very nice. 2010 F-150 lifted. 17.5. Let me know if you guys see anything that you want. We can make a deal. We are located in Huntsville, Alabama. That's not for sale, that's mine. We are in Huntsville, Alabama, off Winchester Road, 1691 Winchester Road. Got an Edge. Another Chrysler, 2016. Toyota, gas safe, low miles. I like this right here, this Mitsubishi. Nice one. Of course, got the Sporty. Again, we're at King's Wholesale Auto. We're doing walk-arounds like this every week. Show you guys some new inventory. As always, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We are out.